Hello and welcome. My name is Atika and I'm the project manager for PD workshops at the PMI German chapter. And this is.
Marco, and I'm also a member of the PT workshop team here in our PMI German chapter. And together we are presenting you our 10th PD workshop about which topic, Atika?
Well, there are two topics. The first one is Project Full of Surprises and Challenges with Philippe Husser and.
And then by Paul Woodrow, he will present about state-of-the-art PMO, and we'll also talk a lot about artificial intelligence in this regard. And both topics together are very interesting for project managers nowadays, and not only project managers, also PMO officers. So what do you think about this, Atika?
Yeah, as a PM, both topics sound very interesting to me. So let's hear from our two PMO experts themselves what they have to say about these topics and what they're going to present. So, introducing to you our first speaker, Paul Woodrow. Paul, would you introduce yourself and say something about the workshop?
Hi, sure. My name is Professor Paul, and I've been studying and researching artificial intelligence and the ways it can be applied to project management. In my workshop, I'm going to explain the components of AI so that you can clearly understand them and how they're going to provide value to projects. This is a great opportunity for the project management office to lead the change in what's going to result in a dramatic increase in project performance. I'm looking forward to seeing you.
Oh, wow. That sounds interesting, Paul. We're also looking forward to it. So, Marco, let's get on to our next speaker.
Yes, it will be Philippe Rosé, and he will tell us a little bit about what we can expect from a session about project challenges and project surprises. So, Philip, what kind of insights you will give us?
Well, I've been very lucky to spend 45 years in many different companies, from aerospace to steel industry to automotive, and in many countries, in many functions from R&D to HR to manufacturing and so on. And I've learned a very striking lesson. This lesson to me is that life does not crawl, life rather jumps, and it jumps from one big surprise to another one. This big surprise can be either negative, you can be ruined or burned out, or very positive, you can be very successful. What I like to do during the session is show how surprises can really enrich the life of project managers, and we will review three different topics. One, a few illustrations, real life illustrations. Two, why is it like this? And three, can we do something about it? What could do the project managers, the sponsors, the PMOs to better thrive in a very unpredictable world? And of course, I wish this session to be very interactive. Please feel free to share your own surprises and what you did about it. See you then.
Well, that sounds interesting. What do you think, Marco? This is going to be an exciting workshop.
Pretty much exciting, yeah. And if you also see this and like to know more about and like to join us for our events, and just on our website, pmi-gc.de, click on the events on the top right corner and register yourself. The event will take place on July 22nd, starting by 6 p.m. And then you get all the insights and get more details about from our two top experts.
Yes, so we are looking forward to seeing you at the event. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Tschüss.